Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about checking your notification history on your Samsung phone. So whether it's an Android-based Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel, for example, I'm going to show you guys how to go about checking for notifications. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then underneath Settings, go down and select Notifications. Underneath Manage, select where it says Notification History. And then if you have any notification history, it'll be listed in here. You may need to turn on notification history first by clicking inside the oval to start tracking it. But once it's enabled, you will be able to view notification history going forward. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.